Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs using your Ninja Foodi. First, gather your ingredients, your desired number of eggs, 1 cup of water, and the pressure lid. Next, place the trivet inside the Ninja Foodi's inner pot. Then, carefully arrange up to 12 eggs on the trivet, ensuring they are not stacked. Now, let's get cooking. Pour 1 cup of water into the inner pot, around the trivet. Secure the pressure lid, making sure the pressure release valve is in the seal position. Select the pressure cook function on high. Cook for 5 minutes for softer yolks or 7 minutes for firmer, fully cooked yolks. Once the cooking cycle finishes, immediately perform a quick release of the pressure by moving the valve to vent. After the pressure fully releases, carefully open the lid. Using tongs, transfer the hot eggs into a prepared ice bath. Allow the eggs to cool in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking and aids peeling. Now for the easy part, peeling. Gently tap and roll each cooled egg on a hard surface to crack the shell all around. For even easier peeling, try peeling them under cool, running water. Once peeled, you can enjoy them immediately or store them. Peeled hard-boiled eggs will stay fresh in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.